Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm finally doing a 3 looks 1 palette with my Pan That Palette challenge for 2022. If you guys missed my introduction on my Pan That palette for the ABH Subculture, then definitely check it out. I'll make sure to link that video down below in the description box if you guys want to see what my palette looked like when I first started this project pan this year. I'm also doing a rolling project pan with 6 different items out of my makeup collection, along with this challenge as well. So check out those videos if you enjoy watching them. Without further ado, let's get into these 3 looks. Alright, let's do look number 1. I already primed my eyes, I forgot to show that. But I'm starting off with Dawn in the crease with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that really well as my transition color. And then I'm going to take a domed sized brush and apply that same color to the lower lash line and make sure to blend really well. Next I'm taking Roxy, and I'm going to start working this on the crease, into the crease, onto the lid, and all over pretty much. This is going to be like a very soft everyday look. I'm going to also apply that to the lower lash line as well, making sure to blend all the edges. Next I'm taking Cube, and I'm going to apply this all over top of the lid and on the lower lash line. This kind of transforms Roxy into almost a peachy pink. So it just kind of alternates the color a little bit. I don't know, just trying to use that shade because it's my least favorite. I'm using my Mary Luminizer highlighter to highlight my inner corner, and I also took a little bit of that all over the lid as well. Just making sure to blend one more time. And then I'm taking Fudge on a liner smudger brush and just using it as a smudged liner, just wiggling it back and forth into my lashes just for a quick liner look. For my waterline, I'm just taking this nude pencil from the Balm Cosmetics, my Flower Beauty mascara, some lashes from Shop Missy, and here is look number 1. Really easy, everyday peachy look. You guys know I love my peachy toned eyeshadows, especially now that it's the springtime. Alright, now moving on to look number 2, we're going to get really dramatic here. I already primed my eyes with the e.l.f. primer. I'm taking this brown liner from Flower Beauty, and I'm going to be taking what's left of it and start outlining my shape. I'm going to use this as a base and just kind of creating my shape. I want kind of a pointed, very smoky look, so I'm really applying quite a bit to the outer corner of my eye and then slowly blending that out with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm definitely going to go back and forth quite a few times. I'm not going to lie, this took a long time to get the exact effect I was going for. And I'm just taking my time to blend and blend, but trust me, this will look really good once we apply the eyeshadow over top. I'm also applying this to the lower lash line. And then once again, I'm going to blend this out with a smaller blending brush, just really making sure to blend that pencil before it dries down and sets into place. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to take Dawn once again on a fluffy blending brush, really work this into the very edge of the eye look, then taking Fudge and really packing this over top of that brown liner that we laid down. I feel like it complements the look very well. This color is very pigmented, so a little bit goes such a long way. Just taking my time to also blend this on the lower lash line. And then taking Rowdy, this color is almost black. It's super intense, so I'm taking a very, very small amount and being very careful to add this to the outer V and keeping it very close to that the corner of my eye and along the lower lash line, just to make it really smoky and deepen up the look and give it lots of contrast. Once again, adding that same Flower Beauty pencil to my waterline. I feel like this really complemented the look with the other brown tones. And I'm so excited, guys, because I actually finished that Flower Beauty pencil. It was in my project pan this year, so yay, I finished it. And then for the lid, I'm going to take Mercury on a flat eyeshadow brush. This is such a beautiful color. I've really fallen in love with this shade in this palette. It's a beautiful taupe. It's very cool tone, kind of like gray, but it's so pretty. I'm just making sure to blend the edges one final time. For the inner corner, I'm taking Electric. I thought this pop of green would be perfect, and I actually really like the contrast between the green and the brown. For liner, I'm taking the Balm Swing Liner in the shade Brown and just doing a very thin line along my lashes. I'm going to use the same mascara from Flower Beauty, and then these lashes are Drama Queen from Too Faced Cosmetics. So here's the completed look. I really love how this turned out. I think this might be my favorite look out of the 3 looks I did today. I don't know, I love the sort of gray tones, the smokiness. It was so much fun to create. So that is look number 2. Alright guys, moving on to the 3rd and final look. Once again, I already primed my eyes with the e.l.f. primer. I'm starting off with this beautiful shade, I think it's called Destiny. I'm starting off this beautiful green. It's very like muddy green though, like a mossy, almost like a gray toned green. And I'm just slowly building this up in the crease. It's my transition color, really laying that down pretty heavily. And doing the same thing to the lower lash line, making sure to blend that very, very well and connect it up to the shade in the crease. Next, I'm taking Untamed, and this is slightly darker than the other shade we laid down, and I'm going to start using this color to really deepen up that outer V and crease. Patting on the color and then blending it very, very well. Sort of marrying those 2 shades together, then going back through with that first transition color and just making sure to really blend out those edges. Taking that same liner brush and adding that to the lower lash line to really smoke it out. I'm doing a very, very smoky, foresty green look, which I really love the greens in this palette. They're just so pigmented, you have to be careful. Once again, taking a Flower Beauty liner. This is a green shade, and I'm adding that to my waterline. And then taking the darkest shade, which is Access. This is a green, but it's almost like a teal green. And again, I'm just being very careful, adding this to that same area, the outer V, keeping it very close to the eyelid though, taking my time and blending. Next, I'm taking this liquid shadow from Flower Beauty in the shade Camo. It's a beautiful, dark, foresty, sparkly green. It's so pretty. I'm just applying this all over the eyelid. This is actually my first time using this, and I have to say it's absolutely stunning. I'm taking a flat synthetic brush and just making sure to pat out the edges, and then I went back through and kind of blended out any harsh lines. But this color is beautiful. It's a really pretty glitter. To finish off the look, I'm going to highlight my inner corner with Electric once again. This has definitely been my go-to inner corner highlight. I'm taking the Balm Swing Liner in black and just doing a very thin line. Once again, the Flower Beauty mascara and the lashes from Too Faced in Drama Queen. So that's it. That is look number 3. Very green. I love green eyeshadow. I don't know if I could pick a favorite look, but that is look number 3. Alright guys, so that is it. Those are my 3 looks using the ABH Subculture Palette. Oh my goodness, I actually did film this in one day. It's like so late. It's like almost 8 o'clock at night. I am tired. My eyeballs are burning because that was a lot of applying and removing, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe learned a few new looks or ideas. If you have this palette as well and you want to get it out and use it again, I feel so inspired. Like I don't even know what to say. Like, this palette just makes me so happy. I don't know if I could pick a favorite look. Leave a comment down below and tell me which look is your favorite. I think this green look is winning me over. I really love how all 3 looks turned out. I wanted to do something really soft and then really dramatic, and then somewhere in between. I guess this is kind of dramatic too, but this palette is mostly dark tones, so the looks that I do with this palette are going to be more on the dark side, more dramatic, more grungy, dark, and sexy, so I hope you guys don't mind that. I'm so excited, guys. I hit pan on Dawn. Oh my goodness, by the time I got done with look 3, look at that. There is a nice pan there. Ooh, I'm so excited. I really want to focus on Roxy and Fudge. I would love to hit pan on those 2 shades next, so that's what I'm kind of working on. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, comment, like, share, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'll try to link everything that I am wearing. I'm pretty much wearing the same base throughout all 3 of these looks, so I will link all the products I'm wearing down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I can't wait to do more looks with this palette. I'm so excited. I'm feeling so inspired with eyeshadow lately, so thank you, Subculture. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!